I'm back for a hot minute. It's still in the 30s where I live, so I'm freezing cold, and I'm on the floor. All the life updates you need to know. I am back temporarily to do one of those pre-planned videos I mentioned on my hiatus video. If you haven't been around for super long and are subscribed to me for mainly what I talk about, which is the dramas of K-pop, I actually got involved in Asian music and in making this channel through my die-hard love of Japanese rock and visual kei. And while that's sort of gotten taken over by other genres of music, I am still deep down inside a die-hard JRock fan. And I happened to stumble upon on Facebook a brand new group who are catering to the international fans like myself who don't necessarily have the means to support their artists the way they want to. And I am super excited to be opening the inaugural JRock Vault box. It's so pretty! So let me talk to you really quick about what JRock Vault is. They are a luxury subscription box service. They ship bi-monthly, so they do every other month. And they work with artists to get official merchandise, and it's a whole plethora of things. It can be t-shirts, it can be CDs. Actually, it's probably all of those things if you get the big box. There's a big box and there's a mini box. And I have been so excited to get this, and I'm going out of my hiatus and gonna pretend like I'm not stressed out about wedding stuff just to open this box. Alright, so like I said, I got the big box because I wanted to get the full experience. And another cool thing about the box is that it features an artist every other month. And this bi-monthly artist is Kaya, who is pretty in pink. I remember Kaya coming out with this look like a month ago and people were all mad because pink isn't VK. I liked Kaya better when he dressed in the aristocratic gothic style, because God forbid visual kei can't be anything else but gothic and aristocratic, right? Anyway, let's take a look at the box. I just want to make sure I want to be very gentle. Ooh, okay, so the feature artist is Kaya, which would mean that everything that comes in this month's box will have to do with Kaya. So, this is what the box looks like on the inside. Oop, there's what the box looks like on the inside. You don't find out who the artist is until afterwards, but I think even if you don't know who the artist is, like I saw a lot of people saying they wanted the Gazette, and that they wanted Versailles, and they wanted Vamps, it's a great way to expand your horizons and open you up to new artists. So the first thing we have here is a CD. So we have an introductory card that has a QR code and says, "This month we're proud to introduce vocal powerhouse and renowned solo artist Kaya. He's currently active as a solo performer and as part of the music duo," I'm going to butcher this, Schwartzstein. Schwartzstein was first produced by Mana of Malice Miser, which explains a lot of the inspiration for Kaya's look. And that is a photo card. And Kaya's actually been making his rounds in a bunch of American drag queen conventions. It's like the crossover that I never knew I wanted. And I guess has been killing it too with his performances. And you get a photo card, and this is the opposite look that Kaya provided when he released his new pink look. So the box had the more edgy one. This one has the more kind of aristocratic-ish one. God, I need a better camera. Ooh, there we go. And this is the album. Single. It's a single. Vampire Requiem. Ah! And it has Hizaki! Oh, that's so cool. Okay, awesome. So this is a collaborative effort with Hizaki from Versailles / Hizaki Grace Project. Now I know I was like, oh, it expands your horizons, but it's Hizaki. Hizaki is one of the modern guitar marvels of visual kei. Okay, so it's not new, it's just something I was unaware of. It's from 2013, although I do know that Kaya is releasing a solo album in the very near future. So it's got the lyrics, and it is a single, and it's called Vampire Requiem. That's the inside. And then the CD. Everything's so pretty. Everything Kaya does is so pretty. So that's really cool, because I didn't even know this was a thing that was out. Next thing we got is a poster, which I can already tell is going to be the one of the photos for his new solo in the pink. Ooh, it's double-sided! double-sided! That's pretty neat. So we have that photo card but in poster size and in that size. So if you are a JRock fan in high school and you want to put this in your locker, it can fit. So it's not like a huge obnoxious size because there are some JRock posters that tend to be very large. This is a really good size poster, and you can pick between Sweet Kaya and Sexy Kaya, or you can switch it depending on your preference. So that's awesome. Ooh! We have a t-shirt. On the website it asks you to pick your t-shirt size. I never know what to put for myself. So I put a small, and we're gonna hope that that fits. But let's find out, and I'll be back in a second. Ba-bum! Alright, I didn't even look at this, I just put it on. Alright, so this is a Kaya signed shirt that says fabulous. But this is what it looks like on me. So it goes to about just a little to my thighs. I forget if they have an extra small, but I think this size works for me really well. I kind of like my shirts to be a little bit bigger. The quality is really nice. It's super comfortable to wear. And the color is really nice too. It's like a deep maroon, which I really dig. So overall, I think the shirt is pretty fabulous. So now we have a photo book signed by Kaya, for real. You can even see the Sharpie smudges. That's how you know that's authentic. God, he's so pretty. Like, do you ever just look at J-Rockers like Hizaki and Kaya and be like, God, they're so pretty. Why can't I be that pretty? Even the ones who aren't androgynous, like Rookie from the Gazette or Hyde from Larkenseal, you're like, how are you so pretty? It's not fair. It's a whole photo book. The photo book's called Dream After Dream. Here we go. And it's got all these pretty pictures of Kaya in a field. It's like super ethereal, and actually it's just mesmerizing. That's just lovely. Like, that makes me wish it felt more like spring. I want to be where he is. And finally we have, oh, another shirt. So I guess I will go put this shirt on and we'll see how that one fits. I'm assuming the same as this, but let's see. Give me a second. Da-da! I feel so official now. So here's what it looks like on me. Same as the Kaya shirt. Super comfortable to wear, looks high quality, and makes me feel very official. So let me summarize what you get, or at least what I got with this first box, including the first ever editions of the JRock Vault t-shirt. You get the box itself, which I have to now find a use for, or I will feel very guilty about recycling it. It says on the website that you get an exclusive interview or letter, but I got a photo book which was exclusively signed by Kaya himself, so I'm thinking that's along the lines of the exclusivity that they are talking about, and it comes with all of these beautiful pictures of Kaya. So you get this fabulous shirt. You get a CD. I'm a little unsure on if it's like one that isn't super exclusive to international fans, if it's like the most popular, if it's the most recent. This one is not the most recent, but I don't have it, so I'm not complaining whatsoever. And it has Hizaki. You get two beautiful artists for the price of one. You get the poster, which I'm going to imagine, given the size of the box, is going to always be this size. Whether it will be double-sided, I'm not sure. Whether it will be glossy and wonderful, I'm pretty sure that will be a given for every box. You also get an equally glossy photo card, and you get the introductory card talking more about the featured artist themselves, including that QR code, and also a link and password to find out more about the artist, their discographies, and just them. Thank you guys so much for watching this first ever unboxing video. I'm kind of just in awe. This is something that exceeded my expectations, and I'll be honest, you always have that sort of hesitation, especially with something brand new, for if it's going to live up to the hype, and I can tell you guys right now that this absolutely lived up to the hype and then some. I highly encourage you guys to give it a try, especially if you are an international fan who for years has been struggling to support your favorite JRock and Visual Kei artists. I am super excited for the next featured artist. I believe that the Vault folks, I think they do ask who you would want to see on the next box. They also ask you what kind of t-shirt you'd want. They ask you so much stuff in order to make it feel personalized to you and that you have a voice, which is a really important thing where international fans haven't necessarily had that strong of a voice. So this is a great bridge between Japan and everywhere else. It's long overdue, I think. Yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching. I am going to go back into my hidey hole of Hiatusville to get married in 3 weeks. I can't even wrap my head around it. I'm gonna be a Mrs. That's a little... it's crazy to think about in and of itself. But I'm so glad I got to take a break from all the stress and wedding planning and doing this. It was a much needed reprieve. If you are interested in even just looking at the site, seeing what they're about, or getting a box yourself, go to www.JRockVault.com. The price for the big box is $78, but it's free shipping if you live in the United States. If you want the smaller box, which has a t-shirt and an exclusive interview or letter from the featured artist, it is $35. And again, it is every other month, so the next one won't be coming until June. Also, like them on Facebook by the same name. They provide tons of updates, they do newsletters, they are super on top of things, which is really reassuring. And while you're on Facebook, give my page a like. It is Asian Music News. The link is also in the description below. And if you like what you saw, let me know. Hi JRock fans, I haven't made a video for in at least 2 years. I'm going to go find some nice places for this lovely stuff, and then I'm gonna go back and plan my wedding. I will see you guys again in June. Bye guys!